Have you ever tried a warm, healing elixir known as turmeric latte? This soothing beverage, with its vibrant golden hue and spicy sweet flavor, is a delightful treat steeped in ancient Ayurvedic traditions. Today, it has made a modern resurgence, captivating hearts and taste buds around the world. With a blend of aromatic spices and the power-packed turmeric root, it's more than just a comforting drink. Turmeric latte, or golden milk as it's also known, is more than just a drink. It's a soothing, healthful experience. Now come along as we discover how to create this golden goodness at home. The journey to a perfect turmeric latte starts with a simple turmeric paste. Combine equal parts of turmeric and water in a pan, heating gently until a thick paste forms. Store this golden paste in a jar, ready for your daily dose of health and warmth. Next, let's brew the latte. Warm a cup of your favorite milk, be it coconut, almond, or even cow's milk, and add a teaspoon of your turmeric paste. Stir until the milk takes on that iconic golden hue. For an extra kick of flavor, feel free to add a pinch of black pepper. It not only enhances the taste but also aids in the absorption of curcumin, the star compound in turmeric. Now, for those with a sweet tooth, a spoonful of raw honey or a dash of vanilla extract can add a delightful sweetness to this spicy sweet concoction. But remember, less is more when it comes to sweeteners. Sourcing high-quality turmeric is key to a satisfying turmeric latte. Look for organic ground turmeric that's vibrant in color, indicating its freshness. Once you've got your hands on the good stuff, store it in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency. And there you have it, a warm, comforting turmeric latte ready to be savored. Beyond its comforting warmth, turmeric latte offers a host of health benefits. The golden ingredient, turmeric, contains a compound called curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory that helps reduce inflammation and provides relief from joint pain. It's a natural immune booster, with antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that support a healthy immune system and protect cells from damage. This golden elixir also promotes heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood vessel function. It's not just about physical health, though. Turmeric may enhance mood by boosting serotonin and dopamine levels and improve brain function, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Skin health gets a boost too, thanks to turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And if you're watching your weight, turmeric can aid digestion and increase metabolism, helping with weight management. Remember, it's always important to consult a healthcare professional before adding turmeric latte to your diet, especially if you're taking medications or have health conditions.